Okay, this slideshow is going to teach you about the preterite tense in Spanish. It's called el pretérito. It's the past tense, how to express yourself in the past. So these are all the verbs that you should recognize at this point in Spanish. If you notice, they're all AR verbs. We're going to start learning the preterite with just verbs that end in AR. So commonly used verbs that you should know. Well, pasar is from our chapter 7. Llevar, tomar. So I'm just going to give you the translation. Hablar, to speak. Nadar, to swim. Mirar, to watch or look at. Pasar, to spend time with or to pass. Estudiar, to study. Escuchar, to listen to. Navegar el internet, surf the web. Tomar, to take or to drink. Llevar, to carry, to wear, to bring. Bailar, to dance. Alquilar, to rent. Levantar, to lift or raise. Usar, to use. Comprar, to buy. Enseñar, to teach. Enviar, to send. Regresar, to return. Contestar, to answer. Trabajar, to work. Bucear, to snorkel. Practicar, to practice. Necesitar, to need. Sacar, to take out or to get. Llegar, to arrive. Esquiar, to ski. Rentar, to rent. Lanzar, to launch, kick, throw. Comenzar, to begin. The following are the AR preterite endings. These are the pronouns. You can write those down if you want, but the endings are like this. Repeat after me. E, with an accent. Aste. O, with an accent. Amos, astais, aron. Again, E, aste, o, amos, astais, aron. Something important to know about the preterite tense. There are verbs that change the way they're spelled in the present tense. They're called stem-changing verbs, like jugar and empezar. They do not change when you use the preterite. So instead of juego, you say jugué. Instead of empiezo, you say empecé. Well, more about that later. These are a list of words that indicate when you should use the past and when you should use the present. Hoy is today, esta noche, tonight, esta tarde, this afternoon, este año, this year, esta semana, this week. And now the past, ayer, yesterday, anoche, last night, ayer por la tarde, yesterday afternoon, el año pasado, last year, la semana pasada, last week. So you can ignore these, that bold words for now. I just want you to see the yo form of regular AR endings. Yo compré, yo pasé. Miré, estudié. Nadé, levanté, escuché. Now you have a group of verbs that end in CAR, like sacar, practicar, and GAR verbs like jugar, llegar, and ZAR words, for example, empezar. When you conjugate these verbs with those endings, with those preterite endings, you have to make a spelling change, but only in the yo form. Verbs that end in CAR, like the verb marcar, you have to change the C to a QU so that it sounds the way it's supposed to. Yo marqué. Only in the yo form. The verb buscar, C changes to QU. Busqué. Sacar, QU, saqué. Verbs that end in GAR, you have to change the G to a GU so that it makes the G sound, as in jugué. Oh, wait. Llegué, jugué. Navegué, pagué. Even though the U is silent, it makes you pronounce this G like G. Now, verbs that end in ZAR, like empezar, lanzar, comenzar, the Z has to change to a C, only in the yo form. Empecé, lancé, comencé. So check this out. Nosotros what? La cuenta después de comer. Pagamos. El partido, the game, empezó. Yo, now you need to be thinking, this is a ZAR. So you have to change the Z to a C. Empecé. Tú, now even though that's a CAR, you wouldn't change it because it's not in the yo form. Marcaste. The next one is a CAR and it is in the yo form. So change that C to a QU. Busqué. And then the G, remember yo form only, goes to GU. Navegué. All right, let's take a look at the other slideshow, just to make sure that we haven't missed anything. So, preterite of the verbs in AR. To talk about an action that began and ended in a specific time in the past, you use the preterite tense. The endings of the preterite tense are different though from those of the present tense. Here are the AR verb endings. Haste, o. So note that the yo form and the el usted form both have accents. Amos, hastáis, aron. So again, haste, o. Amos, hastáis, aron. So here's an example of the verb mirar, to watch. Miré, miraste, miró. Miramos, mirasteis, miraron. And the verb nadar, to swim. Nadé, nadaste, nadó. Nadamos, nadasteis, nadaron. So the verbs that end in CAR, GAR, ZAR. C changes to QU. And then they add the E with an accent because it's only in the yo form. G, GU, E with an accent. C, CE. So here you have a question in the to form. Marcaste un tanto? Did you score a goal? And because you're answering about yourself, you say, sí, the yo form of marcar, marqué un tanto. To form of llegar. Did you arrive on time? Sí, llegué a tiempo. Yes, I arrived on time. Did you start snorkeling? ¿Empezaste a bucear? Sí, empecé a bucear. And that is it for now.